So what's up, y'all? So we're just gonna do a soft everyday makeup look for work, for going to the grocery store, for whatever. Real quick, real fast, under 10 minutes. Because I know there's girls out there that are mommies. Bitch, I'm a mother! No drama! That are workers that just don't have time and understand. So let's get into this quick glam. I already did my eyebrows. They're not sisters, they might be cousins. Distant cousins, that's, you know.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
We ain't gonna get into all that. I used the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit for my eyebrows. For my concealer, I used a Pro Concealer. I used Taffy for my top brow, and then I used Warm Honey for my up under my bottom brow. I used the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. You know, this is my favorite. I like this. I love this. This is my shit. But I still haven't got a new one yet. But I'm gonna get one soon, maybe. I don't know. But now it's time to get into the foundation. So with the foundation, I am going to mix my Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. And then I'm gonna mix it with my Makeup by Mario foundation. I think this is in the color 18W, and then my Bobbi Brown is in the color cool golden. So I'm mixing these two together. Makeup by Mario, 2 squeeze, and then I'm probably just gonna use 2 squeeze of the Bobbi Brown. So I'm using a flat brush to mix this together, and also I'm using a flat brush to apply the foundation onto my face. I'm doing 3 strikes over here, 3 strokes over here, 1 on my forehead, 1 on my chin, and then that's that, right? Because this is like an everyday look. Me, I usually let this sit for like 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. And while I'm letting this sit, I am using a dense brush like this. This is really good for foundations because it gives you that full coverage, but also it blends your foundation in really well. So I like this. I honestly like a dense brush like this. I'm going to blend in like this. And with the Bobbi Brown, that's like my favorite. It gets full coverage. So that's good definitely for like a soft glam look. So now what I am gonna go in, usually I use my NARS, but I'm not gonna do that because it's like an everyday look. So what I am gonna do is I'm going back in with my Pro Concealer. I'm not gonna use that one, but I'm gonna use this color, the Toffee. I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm gonna put this up under my eye and conceal my face where I wanna put it at. And then we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down with it, put some on my nose a little bit. Here, hit this, boom. Yeah, right there on the side eye. Then we're gonna hit the middle of the nose. Straight down, try to make it straight as possible. Then I'm hitting the other side, you know, and the other side, like boom. Then I like to get that T-spot in my chin. While I'm letting this sit for a little bit, the best thing to do is, because we're on a time crunch. Crunch time, baby, crunch time, because some people ain't got time. So the best thing to do is go straight into the contours. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using Dark Cocoa. I'm gonna contour here, boom. Contour here, boom. So then I'm just gonna put a slight little here, and a slight little contour here, one here, one here, one on your eyelid like that, and another one on your eyelid like that. I put a little on my top lip. Okay, and then I put some up under here. And then thin line. Since this is simple, we're gonna do a thin line of contour right here, and then a thin line right there up under your jawbone, and 2 lines up under that chin, okay? Because we want to hide that double chin. What I'm gonna do is, because the concealer is still drying, I am going to blend out my contour. So I'm gonna use a flat brush like this, a dense flat brush, and I'm going to pat gently, but going down my cheek and up, so it can just be blended well. And when you're blending the contour of your jaw, make sure you bring it down to your neck and then bring it up so it can blend together with your other contour on your cheek. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna get a smaller contour brush, a smaller angle brush like this right here, so I can get the small areas, so like my eyes and my nose. So first I'm gonna do my eyes. And I'm just gonna contour my nose. I bring it into my eyelids first, and then bring it down to my nose. It's time to blend out this concealer. So what we're doing, you need a fluffy brush like this. Small, it's cute, you know, it's tiny. Watch how I blend this out, because how I blend this out is how you're gonna make sure your concealer is smooth and it blends out in place. You don't want it all patchy and everything. Yeah, this is a soft glam look. Yeah, this is an everyday look, but at least have that concealer looking right. At least have that, you know? So I'm going to add like this. And you see, I'm not even done all the way, but you see it's getting smooth. So and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Lightly blend, lightly pat. Okay, so you know what I'm doing now is blending out the rest of wherever I had put concealer at. You know, get my nose. So some people, they gonna leave it here. They just gonna, you know, put on a setting spray, let that dry, and go about your day. But what I want to do is I want to lighten up my under eye a little bit, and then, you know, I still want to set my face with powder and everything. But if you're not that girl, you don't have time for that, or you just don't feel like doing that, and you're fine with this like little beat right here, then, you know, kudos to you. But for me, I still want to look like something. I still want my casual look, but still look like I got a little beat. But for me, I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna lighten up my under eyes, because I feel like I'm just dead. Like, I'm not, like, I feel like I'm just dead. There's no dimension, just everything's just so flat. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use my lighter concealer, what is this? The Warm Honey one for the LA girl. I'm gonna use this, and I'm just gonna put a little, here in my eye, and then a little here. One here, boop. One here, boop. And probably one right on my nose tip. Instead of for me waiting, I'm going to just blend it straight out. I'm going to use this black sponge, and I'm just gonna go press it in, and then press up under my eye. Feel me? See how like it lightened up like just areas that need to be lightened, and then my face doesn't look that flat. Now me, I wouldn't mind. Like, this is cute. This is real cute, and I like just put some setting spray on and just go about my day, because it's just real cute, real simple, and it still look like skin. But you know, I'm not stopping there. If you want to stop there, thank you for watching.
I don't know, I just don't think this is like great for me. I don't want to do it. I want to go home. Like, I can't take the pressure of it. But don't you think any job interview...
But I'm not stopping there. I am going to set my face first, because all of that foundation and concealer, it needs to just set in before I move on to my powder. So I am using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and it is party all night and stay all day. You know, I need to get some more. Now is powder time. I got a pointy fluffy brush like this that I am going to use. I'm dipping it into my banana powder. This is too much. Don't be cakey. So this is a lot. We need to remove all that, because you don't want to be looking like Casper the Scary Ghost. Set this concealer in. Some girls, they don't want to look oily by the end of the night, or by the end of the day. Some girls want to be matte, and ain't nothing wrong with being a matte girl. I want my contour to come back to life, because my face is a little like light and flat, so I want a little bit more like, you know, bronzer to my face. So I'm using my contour palette that I got from Wet n Wild, going right back into with this contour brush, and I'm just gonna dab it. Like, it's
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Yeah, I broke this, but it is so good though. Just to give like a little, you know, hydration to the face, I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime spray. So I'm just going to use this very lightly. I'm not going to be heavy with this. Very light, not too heavy. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, soft glam, everyday look. 10 minutes for you mommies, for you workers, even if you go into the grocery store. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And yeah, y'all already know what to do. Leave your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. And y'all already know the memo. If you're not subscribed, then what the fuck are you doing? You're missing out on some good ass content, girl. So thank you for watching, and see y'all next week. Bye, my babies.